What's going on YouTube? I'm Mike, living with 3M. Today we've got sort of an emergency roadside repair. You see the white Ford in the background? That's a 2014 F-150. And that truck belongs to my neighbor who lives a couple blocks away. The truck actually just shut off on him altogether. We found out it was the infamous number 27 20 amp fuse for the fuel pump. I rushed to my house to grab a spare fuse. It wouldn't work. I'll show you why and what we have to do to replace that fuse. There you go. Okay. So even if you have a standard blade fuse or a mini blade fuse, which comes in a lot of cars, you're going to need a micro blade fuse. So there are three different kinds: standard, mini, micro. We're going to have to go in Advanced Auto Parts for that fuse. All right, so not those. You got minis, you've got micros, but you need the micro that is open on the sides. Those are minis. Well, we got a 20 amp micro that's open on the sides. That's what we need. If you do your research, they make a fuse relocation kit to remedy that problem. If it continues to blow that fuse, Ford is aware, but they do not issue a recall on it as of yet. So there is plenty of videos out there about how to install the fuse relocation kit. And you guys can check that out. But as for now, we're doing roadside emergency, just the fuse replacement. All right, so we got our Ford manual here that tells us exactly where we're gonna put the fuse. Now I want you to look at that fuse versus the ones that I have, that most of us have. All right, so it's saying in the manual to put it in spot 27, which is gonna be right beside the 10, which is in 26. All right, there we go. Got that put in. Look at there, there we go. Yeah, yeah.
It was just a 20-cent fuse.
Yeah, yeah. So Ford knows that there is a problem.
Yeah,
that's frustrating.
Yeah, because they make that kit.
Yeah,
and it's for that particular pump.
Yeah. Man, I'll tell you, but refuse to do a recall. Wow. Gabriel, Mama's not been feeding you. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no. Oh, wait a minute. There's Gabriel. So that's not Gabe. It's getting close to Halloween, so